Hello, Senior 2. We are going to continue the properties of functions. We are going to talk about one-to-one function. What's the meaning of one-to-one function and how to know if the function is one-to-one or not from graph and from the relation. The definition of one-to-one function, it's a function such that every element in codomain has a unique image in domain. If you notice that this is the condition of function, but this condition we was taking it on x. احنا كنا بناخد الكونديشن ده بنتشيك ان every x has a unique image in y. So if this condition also satisfied عند ال y, يعني every y has a unique image in x, then this function is called one-to-one. Okay, how to know that if the function is one-to-one from graph? We use horizontal line tests. Okay, we take the vertical line test. What we use it for? The vertical line test, we use it to know if the relation is function or not, right? But the horizontal line test, we use it to determine if the function is one-to-one or not. What is the horizontal line test? We draw a horizontal line, that's a horizontal line. If this line makes one intersection point with the graph, then the function is one-to-one. More than one intersection point, then this graph is not one-to-one. We can see that this function, if we make a horizontal line, we will find that we have two intersection points. Can we say that in every even function is one-to-one? Every even function is one-to-one. Yes, every even function is one-to-one because the horizontal line test will make two intersection points. Here in this function, if we make a horizontal line, we will find that this line is going to intersect the curve in one point only, then this function is one-to-one. Here this function also is one-to-one because there's only one intersection point, and this function is not one-to-one because if we make a horizontal line, we will find that this horizontal line intersect the graph of the function in a line segment or a straight line which contains an infinite number of points, then it's not one-to-one function. The second part, how to determine if the function is one-to-one or not from the equation. We make a simple test. We are gonna get a function called f of a and f of b and make them equal. If you got a equal b, then the function is one-to-one. And if you get a not equal b, what's the meaning of a not equal b? I mean that if you got a lot of answers or two solutions, then this function is not one-to-one. Let's see in the first example, we are gonna get f of a. What I mean that we're gonna substitute x by a or replace x by a and get f of b, which is equal to b minus 3 and equal them. Okay, so 2a minus 3 equals 2b minus 3. And now we are going to simplify these sides. Negative 3 is going to the other side with positive sign, then negative 3 positive 3 0. Divided 2 for both sides, we get now a equals b, which is one-to-one function. Okay, let's see the second example here. Get f of a, get f of b, equal them and simplify. Okay, f of a, replace x by a, so 1 over a power 2 minus 4. F of b, replace x by b, 1 over b power 2 minus 4, equal them, cross multiplication to simplify. b power 2 minus 4 times 1 equals b power 2 minus 4 equals a power 2 minus 4. Take negative 4 into the other side, positive 4, then it's gonna cancel negative 4. So b power 2 equals a power 2. By taking square root for both sides, we get now b equals positive or negative a. There are two answers of this test. We got two answers, which is not accepted. So this function is not 1 to 1. So in this video, you figure out what the meaning of 1 to 1 and how to determine the function 1 to 1 from graph and from the equation. Thank you for listening.